Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object for you and I follow with a pattern so you can grab it, link down below what it is. Getting Warmer Cowl by Espace Tricot. Okay, first things first, what I'm going to tell you, it's what tools I used and then a few things about a pattern. But if you want to skip that, straight away go down below and you find a link to the free pattern from Espace Tricot. So thank you so much for sharing, ladies. So first things first is a bag. Beautiful, as you can see, this fabric is amazing. Handmade Bags by Diane on Etsy, so I'll leave a link into my project page, so check it out. Beautiful. And I added keychain shawl, a kind of wrap around your neck, right? Right, before I tell you about needles and yarn I use, we have to go dived into the pattern. It's a free pattern, so I can tell you all about it. Not everything, because yeah. So first things first, what I'm looking at the pattern, I'm looking at the yarn they're using. You will need a skein that has in 100 gram, 100 meters, or 109 yards. And they call for 3 skeins like this. So I'm not an expert, but 100 meters would be a little bit of bulky, isn't it? I was looking for this yarn to be used, and that's why I came across this pattern. First I had a yarn, and then I found a project. So this amazing yarn I received Artisan KnitCrate March, as I recall. I'll link down below if you want to watch it. And over here the skein tells me that they have in 113 grams, so a little bit more it's in skein. I have 140 yards, which is 128 meters. So I'm a little bit off, aren't I? So I look at the needles and I noticed that the pattern calls for 6 millimeters, which is US size 10. Circular needles, 24 inches and 16 inches. And you know, if you watch me for a while, you probably would think that I have needles like that. No, I don't. So even though the pattern tells you that it's just one size, it will be smaller. But as you can see, it's not, because this knit is a gift knit and I wanted to have it smaller. So we shall see. The needles I used are here, and I'm not going to close up until I tell you what yarn I used. So I think I used, let's check, 4.5, no. Yeah, 5 millimeters, which is, I would say, your size 9, I'm guessing. And the yarn I used, maybe I'll show you 3 colors because I wanted to use it. So I hope it's fine. How do I look? So it is Be So Tender KO yarns. You can see a website, Create, Share, Inspire. And this is from March Artisan Crate. So KnitCrate collaborates with yarn dyers, especially in that box, and you can get something that you never used before. And for me it's quite challenging, well challenging, because I've never used a cotton before to knit something like this, and cotton kind of reminds you of something drapey, very kind of stringy feeling, isn't it? And this is 100% certified organic cotton, so over here on the screen. And now you can pause and see exactly what's there. And the one I'm holding is ultraviolet. So it's the top one. I actually have some leftovers. I have Cobalt and I have Lagoon. So this is Lagoon, this is Cobalt, and this is Ultraviolet. And I have some leftovers. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, because not a hat. I was looking for something that it can work. And it's a quite kind of softy yarn. Yeah, yarn. Softy yarn. And I was interested how it will knit up. It first reminded me of some, if you used to, when I was a little kid, we didn't have those pads for makeups. They were just kind of, my mom was using kind of fluffy cotton, and that's kind of reminds me of this. But while I was knitting with it, it pilled. That's what's the word. And now I can give you close up to see this. So here are my needles and my lovely felted pouch. That, as you can see, that blue color is that cotton. And even I use my progress keeper or stitch marker, and it's felted too. See this? Well, it's a felt and kind of grab the yarn. So I'm not sure how the yarn will act when I'm wearing it. Will it just leave spit? When I was knitting, yes, it was leaving stuff on my laps. So that was interesting. Will I knit with it? No. Unless my sister would really want it, because when I told her it's organic and she's very natural friendly, she really wanted me to knit something for her. I hope she likes it, Otherwise, I will be looking for a good home for this cowl. And I can lift it up a bit. So yeah, we cast on certain numbers of stitches. We do 2x2 rib for a certain period of time, and then we do garter. But because I was adding colors, I didn't want to have those weird bumps, poor bumps sticking out with 2 colors. So I did 1 row of knit, and you can actually see it over here and see it over here. But because I fold this, you can't see that mark. And over here, I don't mind. I think that's an extra special touch, special feature of this cowl. And I think that's all you need to know. It's quite simple, quite easy, and I did not have 24 inch, 16 inch. I worked with, maybe that's 24 inch actually. Maybe I have just 24 inch. So I had to work with a kind of magic loop when I got into this part, which takes a little bit longer because of that moving, but other than that, happy that it's up my needles and I can give it to my sister, and hopefully it is not too big for her because I'm massive, she's tiny. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting. Definitely go check Espace Tricot. They have amazing podcasts which I do not want to miss because I love those 2 ladies. And also check her Ravelry page and their profile, patterns profile, because so far the whole patterns they have over there are for free. And if you're in Canada, check their shop because they have a local shop. Best friends ever. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye! And I add one of the tags.